if they don't know how to use their tools, then, just don't attempt this project. Plain and simple. It's a simple project. Both of them are simple projects. It's just that, you see so many people getting carried away with these little items like this that, they gotta go to the extravagant. I figure, hey, somebody's gotta show a simple one. All it is a couple of door slides. Well, all you gotta do is get a drawer slide, a muffler clamp, a nail bracket, a little bit of wood, and you're done. There you go. You got a grinder slider. So what the heck?
My hitch was up Monday, not a dog soldier no more. They gave me all that money, so much my pockets felt sore. Pockets felt sore. More dough than I can use, re-enlistment blues. I went to town Tuesday, found the big feather bed. I'll look for work tomorrow, tonight I'll sleep like I'm dead. Get up when I choose, re-enlistment blues. Well, I hit the bars Wednesday, found some friends on my own. Met a pretty lady, she wouldn't leave me alone.
Well, you folks have a nice one. Once again, that's me, Felix the Handyman. You have a nice day now. Hoorah.